Flamingo Books. Enjoy with mathematics. Chapter 6. Exponents.
What is exponents? Exponents mean repeated multiplication of the same number. An exponent shows how many times a number, called the base, is multiplied by itself. Example: 2 power 3 means 2 multiply 2 is equal to 8. 2 is equal to base, the number being multiplied. 3 is equal to exponent, how many times to multiply 2? What is a power of integers? The power of integers means using exponents, powers, with positive or negative whole numbers, integers, as the base. A power n. It is equal to an integer, positive or negative. N is equal to exponent, any whole number or integer. Types of power of integers. Positive integers multiply the number by itself. Zero exponent, any non-zero number raised to power 0 is 1. Negative exponents, any non-zero number raised to power 0 is 1. Example: minus 14 power 6 is equal to minus 14 multiplied by 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 minus 14. 5 power 6 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5, 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 5 multiplied by 5. Minus 4 power 3 divided by minus 2 power 3 is equal to minus 4 multiply minus 4 multiply minus 4 divide by minus 2 multiply by minus 2 multiply by minus 2. Minus 64 by 8 is equal to 8. Example: since minus 1 power 36 is an even integer, answer is 1. Since minus 1 power 15 is an odd integer, answer is minus 1. What is the power of rational numbers? Exponential notation can also be used for writing the product of a rational number by itself several times. 2 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 5 is written as 2 by 5 power 2. It is read as 2 by 5 raised to the power 2. Here, 2 by 5 is the base and 2 is the exponent or power. Example: P by Q power m is equal to P by Q multiplied by P by Q multiplied by P by Q multiplied by m times P multiplied by P multiplied by P multiply m times Q multiplied by Q multiplied by Q multiply m times P power m by Q power m. Example: 4 by 7 power 3 is equal to 4 by 7 multiplied by 4 by 7 multiply 4 by 7. 4 multiply by 4, 4 multiply by 4, divide by 7 multiply by 7, 7 multiply by 7. 4 power 3 by 7 power 3. 64 by 343. What is decimal of a number system? Example: 76,484 is equal to 7 multiply 10,000 plus 6 multiply 1,000 plus 4 multiply 100 plus 8 multiply 10 plus 4 multiply 1. 76,484 is equal to 7 multiply 10 power 4 plus 6 multiply 10 power 3 plus 4 multiply 10 power 2 plus 8 multiply 10 power 1 plus 4 multiply 10 power 0. What are the expressing large number in the standard form? Example: 65 is equal to 6.5 multiply 10 power 1. 650 is equal to 6.5 multiply 10 power 2. 6500 is equal to 6.5 multiply 10 power 3. 65,000 is equal to 6.5 multiply 10 power 4. 6,50,000 is equal to 6.5 multiply 10 power 5. 65 lakhs is equal to 6.5 multiply 10 power 6. Example: the Sun is located 300 sextillion kilometers from the center of our Milky Way galaxy, is equal to 300 sextillion kilometers, is equal to 3 multiplied by 10 power 20. Next example. Mass of the Earth is 5 septillion 976 sextillion kilograms, is equal to 5 septillion 976 sextillion kilograms, is equal to 5.976 multiplied by 10 power 24 kilograms.